Hi, my name is Dr. Natalie Schindler. I am a scientist, biochemist by training, worked in cell biology and now genetics, and I have experience both in research and in teaching. This channel is for you who maybe also teach or want to be professors or university educators. I would like to tell you my experiences, my story. I had a quite intensive didactic training, university didactics, and I applied some of the methods that I learned, and with great success, I can tell, because the evaluation came back great. The students had a great learning experience, the learning outcomes were met, and this was also reflected in the exam results. As a scientist, our job has 3 pillars. It is the research doing in the lab, the wet lab, active pipetting. Then we have a desk job in administration that includes acquiring funding, writing grants, doing all the Gen Tech applications and doing reviews for journals. There are a lot of things coming into this admin part. And then third, there is teaching. There are some strategies how you can save time for this teaching part, because you can construct it in a way that it is more efficient. And I would like to share with you how I am doing this at the moment. I'm still growing in this respect, but I think some people out there might not have the time to do a quite intensive didactic training, so maybe you can pick something that fits for your teaching style from my experiences and benefit from it, and that would be really great.